Alright, people, it's been a while since I posted a video. Thought I'd post a little video of what I run on HF. There it is. Not a new one, but 33 years old, still runs real good. And we run the tuner up there, antenna tuner. So right now we're on, I think we're on 40 meters, and listen, some fellers out talking. We do have a Kenwood 2 meter there. So, but been awful busy, working 10 hours a day, 6 days a week. Don't get much to do any radio time or video time. So, but we do still have the old 11 meters. We still have the old 10 meter down there. And we have a 10 meter up here that's not hooked up, but it runs. And but this is my pride and joy right now. I like to listen and talk up there. So anyhow, people, like I said, it's been a long time since I put a video out. Thought I would post this. Yeah, let's see if we can find anybody on 80 meters. Pretty quiet up there. 80. I'll go back down to 40. And what I'm switching up there is a tuner because the antenna's tuned. Pretty quiet out there today. A little bit more excitement. So, all right. I'll say 73 to you people that know something about radios, and other people that don't. I will catch you on the next one. Maybe it won't be so long. Like I said, working a lot of overtime. All right. Have a good one. Subscribe, like, share. Thanks. Bye.